It's Jackson.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nunu Naira, and I'm going to be back with another video. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, my previous videos. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this one, and please like that subscribe button, press that alarm so you guys can be notified to see every time I drop a video. I'm trying to be time consuming. I'm trying to drop more videos for you guys, but because I work, school and everything, I'm just trying to process all of it together. So I hope you guys stay with me and do forgive me. I'm going to give you guys more. On my social media, I got told that they want to hear story time, but to be honest, I felt like being on YouTube, you have to build confidence. So I'm so shy to talk to you guys, but I'm working on it. I talk to myself in the mirror. I be talking to myself like directly to the wall. I'm trying to practice. I'm trying to get better at this. I just want to make sure my words are correct. I do want to make sure you guys do understand what I'm trying to tell you guys, and it's just not running around my head. But anyways, so you guys, I hope you guys will like my video. So today I'm going to show you guys a nice spring look, something you can wear to a house events, concerts, nothing too much, but something just, you know, that'll give you that glamorous look. So today I have on actually a blonde hair frontal, right? So my friend is starting with a new hair company, so I decided to try her hair, but her company isn't out yet, so I got to try this blonde hair and I'm loving it. I wanted something simple and something different but simple, so that's why I like that curl and the sweep, and then I got the ends like curled up, if you guys can see. Yeah. So anyways, so this is the blonde hair, and I love this color. So they got me to do this color, which is crazy because I don't do colors, but I am a brand new girl. But anyways, so you guys, I have something to tell you guys actually. So like my social media was saying, they want to see story time. Me too. I'm working on my confidence. And also I decided to talk to you guys. So I did this hair specifically to go to WIZ's concerts. So you guys, I went to WIZ's concert, and it's still calculating my mind because last year he was actually supposed to come, but it turned into a disappointment. It turned into a huge disappointment. Like, he actually didn't show up, and I was so excited because it was like last year for it to be like 6 years WIZ having come to Toronto. That was so crazy. But anyways, he came the 7th year, 7 years after WIZ want to come to Toronto. But anyways, I enjoyed the show. I'm so happy he came. WIZ is so sweet. What I mean by sweet, like, he's so nice. I saw him. What else? I love his music. His performance level, I would give it a 10. Why I'm giving this performance level a 10? Because he engaged with his crowd. He did such a nice performance. I've heard and was told that the performance was short. Yeah, his bad. He was late, so what? But he did a good ass job. Like, I'm so happy. Like, he did good. And to be honest, you guys, I'm going to see WIZ on Wednesday, so I'm excited for that. What else? I definitely was excited, super excited. Why? Because to be honest, I didn't trust he was really gonna come, you know, because these African artists, you know, these West African artists, they can do whatever. They can surprise you because, you know, they don't care. They have the money. But anyways, yeah, so once I heard WIZ touched down Toronto, the day after the party, I decided to go get my ticket. So I decided I want to go. So I got my hair done, and I really like this color. So you guys, never doubt, dark skins, you can do blonde. So dark skins, you can absolutely do blonde. So I got my hair done by my friend. So I actually removed it I did it all over again myself, and I'm really feeling this look. Like, I'm feeling this look. But anyways, you guys, all makeup information will be in the description box. Like I said, please subscribe, like my video, tell me what you would like to see, and I'm going to give you guys that story time you guys been asking. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I am going to turn into a whole different person.
Ooh. Bang bang, baby, baby.
Damn.
Loose. That's how I feel. I've been thinking, boy, yeah, you go. Hello, confused. That's what they think. Baby, set me free. Yeah. Now me they call your phone. You know they answer. I want to come your house. I lost your address. I want to see you, but I know they see you, baby. Oh yeah, you go set me free. Girl, you bad, you got it. I'm really hoping you will call me. Wanna be your champion, love. And I wouldn't take that. I'm coming. I know go really para you, they hit me. You just stay for my mind. You back, you got it. I'm really hoping you will call me. Wanna be your champion, love. And I won't take time. I'm coming. I know go really para you, they hate me. You just stay for my mind. Look at you, been a long.
Hey you guys, I finished up my spring look. Yeah, so this is the look. I'm finished. So please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Any questions, comment. Feel free to comment.
Gucci stick,